Hi guys, welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking. Welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking, and today what I'm going to show you is how I prepare my chicken wings. So let's get started. Today what I'm going to show you is how I make my chicken wings. They're simple and easy to make. So the only ingredients that I use is this crab oil, which is 3 ounces, and this Old Bay seasoning, which is 6 ounces. So I combine the two into a bowl, making sure it's mixed well. Then you'll sprinkle some of this on top of your chicken wings. What I'm going to do is pre-boil these chicken wings. I'm also going to put that Old Bay and crab oil on top. So you want to steam these chicken wings before I put them in my oven. So I'm just mixing it from the bottom, making sure it's mixed well. That's good. Now I'll sprinkle some of this on top of my chicken wings. There's really no set measure. I'm just sprinkling some on top because when I put these in the oven, then I'll sprinkle more of this Old Bay and crab oil on top. That looks good. Once it's on your chicken wings, I'll put the lid on. You want to steam them. I have my stove on between high and medium. My oven is set at 400. I'll check and see how the chicken is steaming in my pot. Ooh, does it smell good? You'll boil these chicken wings for 45 minutes. It's been 45 minutes, now I'll turn my burner off. They smell good. So now I have my baking tray. I'll remove the chicken, put it on my pan. So now that I have my chicken wings on my baking pan, I'll take that Old Bay and crab oil and I'll sprinkle some more on top. You want to bake these in your oven until they're golden brown. What I like to do is I flip them over and I put more of this mixture on top. So that looks good. So now into my 400-degree oven. After 15 minutes, I'll check on them. I'll see if they're starting to turn a nice golden brown, and then I'll flip them over. So into the oven it goes. It's been 15 minutes, now I'm going to check on my chicken wings. Those spices smell good. Not ready to flip over yet, so I'll wait another 15 minutes. It's been 30 minutes, so now I'm going to flip them over. Now that I flipped them over, I'll put more on this side. So I have the spices right here. Back into the oven it goes. So it's in the oven, so now I'll wait for it to brown on this side. The chicken wings are done, so now I'll give them a try. I'll plate them up. I made a couple of tater tots along with my chicken wings. So now I put them on a plate. I'll give it a try. So now I'll try one. They just came out of the oven. Nice and crispy. They're really good. Hot but good. Well, thanks so much for tuning in to another episode of Cheryl's Home Cooking, and watch me make my chicken wings. Give them a try. They're really good. I'll see you guys next video. Bye-bye.